Were you expecting that kind of demeanor from Jonathan Morales, who was
Well,
facing a committee of the Senate?
well, expected na naman yung sasabihin niya. Kasi when before the hearing, days before the hearing, napanood ko na yung mga interviews niya. At syempre, dinidepensa niya yung sarili niya. Kung lagi niya sinasabi, ako kinakasuhan pa lang, ako raw ay convicted na. That's why I was already expecting him to say that during the hearing. Ako
Pero yung
naman, sabi ko sa sarili ko, kahit may conviction ako, hindi ko pa rin tatalikuran yung aking sinumpaan tungkulin bilang isang mambabatas. And I have the right to investigate. I have the right to join all the committee hearings, and I have the right to participate in every hearing.
And of course, you're the vice chair of the committee. Parang weird naman na hindi kayo ma-attend. Anyway, sa basa ko lang kasi personal napanood ko yan, no? Mukhang it was meant to disarm you dahil kayo yung pinakabumubusi sa kredibilidad niya. Do you see it that way as well? Yung parang that comment from Morales was meant to disarm you?
No. Well, yung kaso ko naman, yung convict sa akin sa David Bag, wala namang connection niya sa trabaho ko bilang isang senador. Trabaho ko bilang isang senador ay gumawa ng batas at mag-imbestiga in aid of legislation. Yan po ang trabaho ng senador. At kahit kailan, hindi ko pwede talikuran yan. Hindi ko pwede talikuran ang aking sinumpaan tungkulin.
Ano nga pala, sige, bago natin ituloy yung discussion, ano bang update dito sa conviction ninyo, no? Sa indirect bribery?
Well, una nagpapasalamat ako dahil yung aking plunder case ay nabsuelto naman po ako doon. At yun nga, unfortunately, ay kinonvict na ako sa much lower offense, yung direct and indirect bribery. It's on appeal right now. Nag-appeal po ako, nag-motion for reconsideration.
Kasi ito lang, may mga nagtatanong on social media when that news came out that you were convicted sa lower crime of indirect bribery. Ang tanong ng iba, bakit daw senador pa kayo? Ano bang sagot doon? Bakit hindi pa raw kayo nakakulong?
Well, I am out on bail. Ilan po masasabi?
Available offense kasi siya.
Yes, that is available.
Ito, tinatapos ko lang tong part na to, no? Tapos magpo-focus tayo kay Morales, no? Eh, yung sinasabi ng...
I have all the legal options available to me right now. Nag-file po ako ng motion for reconsideration before the Sandigan Bayan. If granted, the absuelto po ko. If not, if I get an adverse decision, I still can go up to the Supreme Court.
Pero how do you respond to yung public opinion? Tingin ko ito rin yung parang pinanggagalingan ni Morales, no? Although yung clash nyo refers to an entirely different issue. Hindi pong sinasabi nung iba, no? Nakikita ko rin to na miski acquitted kayo sa plunder, ang tingin pa rin sa inyo ay magnanakaw dahil doon sa indirect bribery. How do you respond to that?
Well, kanya-kanyang opinion naman yan, Christian. No? Basta as far as I'm concerned, the court has already proven that I am not guilty of plunder. That's the most important thing of it all. Kasi ang plunder, pag na-convict ka ng plunder, diretso ka na sa Muntinlupa niyan . Well, no questions asked because that is considered as a capital offense.